Okay, I got the honing done on them. So now they got a lot coarser finish to them and a lot less crosshatch angle, a lot flatter. That's how I did my race bike last time. So they're really smooth this way. See how smooth they are?
Mm-hmm.
Never when you're nailing it. It's nice and rough, but it's really smooth on the top. It's plateau honed. So we got a real coarse finish, probably 150 grit finish on for the oil, and then the fine, and it's 500 grit on the top or better. 500 to 600 grit on the top where the ring actually hits on it. So you got a lot of oil in there to keep things lubricated, but it's really low drag for getting after it. And you got the cross hatches like this, so it works. Ring works. You're not dumping so much oil past the ring. When you got it real vertical like that, it just floods the top in with the right oil. So the problem is someone buffed these gaskets surfaces with a buffer. You can see all the crosshatch pattern going on them, so they run something across them. You can see how they're not real crisp and sharp. They kind of look kind of roundish a little bit. That means they were buffed. And you can definitely see right through they cut in the side. There's no real lip here per se to seal the gasket with. This one here has a little bit of it in there. This one's pretty much gone. And there used to be a couple of really good cylinders laying over there in that box to tell good ones from bad ones, but they're buried over there pretty good. There's another set down here. There's another set here. What's this one look like? Is that one been dicked with down there? Is that one of my good ones or that one of my crappy ones? Yeah, see how this hasn't been buffed? See how it's all flat looking?
Mm-hmm.
And you can see how there's a little bit of a lip to it. The lip's what makes it seal. Even though it's a high mounted cylinder. But it doesn't have this kind of real smooth looking finish to it. It looks pretty sharp, crisp looking. So
That's a good looking cylinder.
that's how you tell. Whenever they start looking really smooth and kind
You got
of
two of these?
uneven, that means it's been cut. No, put my cylinder back.
Just that one?
It's for my motor, not your motor.
Is this one for your motor?
There used to be 3 sitting down there. How many are down there now?
Probably 3. Sound like it was bouncing off another one.
Okay. So now I got to work on these. Where's your other cylinder out there? You're in charge of this. What? Quit moving my damn thing over here. Pick up your feet. You're doing my rug. You're trying to make a trip over. Yeah? Yeah. They're dangerous. Oh, why my thumb hurts. Looks like I was doing a lot of work today. Did it move?
A little bit.
You got a ball peen over there. It's a workout on my shoulder. It's an all-around workout.
Used to getting some motion back in it.
Figures. You don't beat the hell out of it to save the surface and it doesn't come out.
Yep.
Get after it a little bit. I don't know if you can buy this stuff anymore. Every time I look on their website to fill up my holes, they don't have them. Where'd these come from?
Somewhere laying around.
Oh, I'm stiff. Alright, I don't need this no more. Crap over here. It's supposed to work. Shit, my doors over here. I got crap in my doors, not my pants.
Mm-hmm.
Ass doing all this work. So much work it is to do stupid cylinders.
Do you make those, or is that a bot?
I bought them.
And then had to fix them.
We have to fit them to your legs. You do have to machine them to fit them correctly, but yeah. And they were all purchased. What do you think they cost?
$350 for the set, $650 for the set.
$650 is a lot closer than $350 now.
I was trying to think of an individual price at first. But then I was like, oh, they're sold in a
The wrench
set.
is separate though, it costs more. I told them I need a wrench, so we don't have those. Well, just take it, what, do what? Can you just make me one? Okay, yeah, okay, make you one. So you made me a wrench. Of course, these are not what you're supposed to be doing with these. They're not made for this. These are made for doing cylinder sleeves, for making sleeves, machining the sleeves to fit, to go on your car block. They're not made to machine your Harley cylinders on. But you know what? They work pretty on the Harley cylinders though. They would sell more of them if they made them for Harley cylinders. I don't even know if they even make these anymore. A lot of these stuff they don't make anymore because nobody bought it. Alright, we'll be back in a little bit. Let's finish this up.